Hi guys, actually the manifestation content we used to see secret cards. So I felt all the cards in this are over. So we have seen all the cards. Now if we see again it will be like a repetition of the cards. So I felt instead of seeing the same cards again and again and shuffling and taking, now we know what are all the cards there. So this is all about mysteries. Ahama oracles is all about each universal law. So day by day, I felt we can see each law every day. So one after the other, one after the other. So now let us see what is today's card. Today's card is law of common ground. So what does this law state? This is viewed as a problem solving approach and is an area where two or more can gather to blend differences. It demands that the area be cleansed of previous energy left by others who historically have passed through. So, what it means is there is some common problem in the society which is there for individuals also. Okay, so when there is such a common problem, when people, two or three people would have thought of some different ideas, tried different ideas, and finally one idea would have succeeded. Okay, so what they're coming to tell in law of common grounds is that whichever idea succeeded, okay, take that as an inspiration or take that as an a road model example and keep trying that same idea again and again for the crowd as well as for the individual also, and try to solve all the issues. So this can be applied for groups, societies, gathers, all individual where people live as whole bunches. So this is what they have told, and you can use this to cleanse off the old energy and embody the new energy. Try this new energy, solve problems, and keep succeeding in life. And whatever you have learnt from the previous people left it to you, same thing you can leave it to your next succeeders generations also. That is what they are telling in law of common grounds. Okay, so this is today's universal law. Let us meet in tomorrow's universal law. Until then, bye.